I have an idea someone might appreciate. Go to Home Depot and get a furring strip. They're a couple bucks a piece. They come in, I think, 6 or 8 foot lengths. And drill 1/2-inch holes in it about every 2 or 3 inches. This one here is probably about 4 feet tall. And here's what you do with it. When it gets windy out here, the hangers all flip off and the clothes end up all over the ground. So what I've done is I put these holes for zip ties to get those cheap little dollar store clips through a zip tie, and you hang it up on the line, and it keeps the spacing so the air can get through there, so the clothes will dry and they won't blow off. I made this for my wife a year ago, and we have yet to find clothes on the ground because the hanger spun in the wind. You know how they'll do this. Well, that doesn't happen with this. So just drill a hole about every 2 inches near the bottom so the hangers can fit, so that they don't have a problem with the spacing. And then drill some holes at the top to put a zip tie through and hang it on your clothesline. And your clothes won't end up on the ground. Right, Darla? Might cost you. No, I did oil this with some kind of a wood preservative, but it, you know, for $2 you don't even have to do that. That's what I used on my deck boards, which I'm going to put a metal shed on. But anyway, right, baby doll? I thought that was a good idea, and my wife, she uses it all the time. I'll see you there.